Hey peoples, it's May, the perfectly imperfect girl. So today I've tried this new thing where it's a de-articulator. So I'm supposed to read sentences and phrases and things, and it will get hard because it's supposed to play back in the headphones a little bit after I've said it. So we'll see what goes on. So here I go. These are noise cancelling headphones. I'm gonna click on the prompter and say this. Red, blue, blue, blue blood. Red, blue, 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 blood. Red blood, blue, blue blood. Red blood, blue, blue blood. Purple paper people. Purple paper people. Purple paper people. Paper people people. Purple paper people. Now I'm gonna put it on intense and see what happens. Toy boat, toy boy, tow boat, tow boat, tow boat. Piggyback times, piggyback times, piggyback times, piggyback times, piggyback times, piggyback times. Unique New York. Unique New York, unique. No. Six sticky suckers, six sticky suckers, or six sticky suckers. Upper roller, lower roller. Upper roller, lower roller, upper lower, lower lower, upper lower lower. Red leather, yellow leather. Red leather, red leather, yellow leather. Red leather, yellow leather, red leather. Bamboo baboon. Bamboo baboon, bamboo baboon, bamboo baboon. Red ball boo blow, red ball boo blow. Mixed biscuits times. Mixed biscuit times. This is ridiculous. 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 You guys have to try this. See what your voice sounds like, because this is very difficult to do. And I still slow down and stop every 10 minutes just to figure out what's going on. But yeah, you guys try this app. It's called the de-articulator. So see if you can keep talking and keep talking and keep talking without blah, 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 your words. Yeah. Enjoy. Bye guys.